bears. My friend and I eat them trying to outrace each other, but the package is empty now, and we start fighting for the last gummy candy as usual. My friend doesn't want to give it up at all. Oops! The bear dies a hero's death, but what do we see? It's resurrected as a gigantic bear idol. Add water to fruit jelly powder. Make a highly concentrated mixture. Pour it into a bear-shaped silicone mold and let it harden in a cold place. Take the bear out of the mold when it hardens. It doesn't matter how big the bear is, we will cope with it anyway. We argue to the bitter end and draw lots for the right to eat the bear. Rock, paper, bear! At last, we meet halfway. We cut our giant gummy in half. Now we face a challenge of eating it. The one who eats it first wins. We tie after a persistent chewing fight. The plates are empty and the bears are over. A big tea party is going to begin. It's high time to bake a big cookie for it. Draw a grid on a honey cake to imitate the real cookie. Use a wooden skewer. Cut out the squares carefully. Score notches across the edge of the cookie with the blunt side of the knife. Cover the second cake with a thick layer of Nutella. Put the cake with the grid on top. Leave little cookies for the next time. We have the gigantic cookie. You can hardly hold it in your hand. A big cookie has only one disadvantage. You can't dip it into your tea because it doesn't fit into a regular cup, but it is easy to fix. Wham! Now it's a different story. Giant cups and a giant cookie is a match made in heaven. We will need corrugated tube and 2 pieces of foam plastic. Trace the diameter of the tube on the foam plastic and cut out 2 circles. Make a slanting cut on the ends of the tube and attach the foam plastic circles. Attach the tube to a white flower pot. This is the handle of the cup. Paint the tube white and put the cup on a white coaster. You can dip an entire cake into such a cup. As for the maxi cookie, you can easily dip it into your tea and crunch the yummy. I love juice. Which one should I choose? Orange? Yummy. Or cherry? I will mix different kinds of juice into one cocktail to solve the choice problem. Pour cherry juice into a wide container. Use a funnel and a slanted straw to pour orange juice on top. Put the straw to the side of the container. In this way, the juice will not mix, creating a separate layer. Put the straw into the middle and pour carrot and apple juice between the layers. Decorate the prepared cocktail with a slice of grapefruit and add straws. Well, you will get a year's dose of vitamins from the cocktail like this. It is not just healthy, it also looks lovely. It's the cocktail with an ombre effect. Blondie is amazed. It will definitely be enough for 2 of us. I treat my friend to it. This cocktail must be served only in a bar for giants. This is what we call a long drink. Redhead doesn't want to wake up. She pretends to be ill and lazy, but I know how to pull her out of the bed. She won't be able to say no. I will cook my signature awakening toast. Cut a loaf of white bread lengthwise. We will need the middle. Put 2 pieces, one onto another, and cut off the edges, forming a square. Put the bread into a toaster. Flip it over when it gets fried from one side. Spread Nutella over the big toast. There is a secret of enormous toast. The more Nutella, the better. I add a thick layer and go to wake up my friend. Redhead wakes up when she smells the toast. though she couldn't tear herself off the pillow a minute ago. My toast are a universal remedy. Eat one huge piece and you will get better right away. Did you like our gigantic sweets? Then write in your comments which yummy you will make bigger. Will you bake a big cookie or make a maxi cocktail or amaze your friend with an enormous macaroon? And don't forget to give your thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new recipes of the giant cuisine.